Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumes your hair. So dear friend, let's talk about today trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair. You will color your hair into different style and different size like layer culling, shaggy hairstyle and bob cuts, pixie haircuts, layer haircuts, fine haircuts and layer gravy cuts, short bob cuts, step cutting and too much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my friends, if you are a new subscribers on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagrams. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos and you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You are watching my all videos. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks and like my all videos. Take care yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas and new trendy fashions about hairs. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Keep on watching. Till then, take care tomorrow and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.